This kanji looks exactly like nature. The kanji is Yama. Imagine hiking and you see three mountains in front of you. It looks like three mountains next to each other. The left peak, the big middle peak, and the right peak. Imagine three mountains. The left one, the big middle one, and the right peak. It's called Yama. The next kanji is Kawa, river. Imagine a flowing water or a flowing river with three lines. It's called Kawa, river. One stream, the second stream, and the third stream. This is called Kawa. Imagine three streams of water flowing down a mountain. This is Kawa and this is Yama. Kawa River, Yama Mountain. Subscribe for easy kanji you will never forget.